Welcome to Super Hiro's restaurant. Thank you for watching. So this time I'd like to introduce you for my product, Super Hiro's fried rice. This is pork char-sh with green onion, char-sh. Yeah, Japanese char-sh. The Super Hiro's logo is a frozen one, defrost. It's a small pack, but it's very good. After defrost, open the package, smell perfume like a green onion and pork char-sh. So I had already food, so big stomach, so I don't need just what I like to introduce you to my product. Okay, so microwave is the first one is 2 minutes, and the second time to the upside down, flip out, and another maybe I think 1 minute half or 2 minutes. Yes, and but even microwave inside for the pack for the air inside, so I have to open to suggest you to a little bit cutting, because for the escape to the air, when you hit it, exploded, air to come up, the exploded, bromine exploded in the microwave. So okay, let's cooking. So Super Hiro's char-sh. So I'm setting up 2 minutes first. 多分これも美味しくなるんじゃない？ Okay, so 2 minutes. So very careful, it's very hot. Yeah. Inside still frozen. And outside already cooked. So okay, upside down. Maybe I think probably 2 more minutes. Yeah. Because I cut in for the on top, it make a hole, so that's why so no exploded. Don't forget, you need before microwave cut it. Okay, 2 more minutes. Yes, sounds like okay. Then very hot. Careful. Let's take it out. Yes. Already done. It's very hot. See, it's already hot, very hot. So, yeah, depends on to the what your microwave. I use it for my made in Japan Panasonic one. And then the time that I did it for the 2 minutes and 2 minutes, but I depend on you something that not even either open package, put it for the plate and then surround up, it's okay. But for the this is a microwavable vacuum seal, so inside the air keep it, and then moisture and the air cook inside. So depend on what you which one you like it, or inside bag or inside plate. Yes, kind of hot. Okay. Yeah, see, this is a little bit way too long, so a little bit harder. It's for the 4 corners, but the inside is still good. Juicy, like okay. Yeah, and then slice the onion on top. Okay. 召し上がれ。ボナペティ。